Yes, family, just rearranging the place, you know. Me catch a vibes for like, you know, trim up the Moringa tree. Remember, it's a Crocus bag farmer. You're here chilling with I, and I'm about to trim up my Moringa tree. So stick with me. Remember to hit the subscribe button. I'm just rearranging my yard right now because my neighbor cut down the tree, and I'm a little bit exposed and I feel a little bit hot. So I say, let me move up my coconut tree. But right now, I'm gonna prune down my Moringa tree. So stick with me, hit the red subscribe button if you like farming from evening, or even if you like it from morning till evening or morning till evening. Remember, me love me farming from evening till morning. It's the Crocus bag farmer, ladies and gentlemen. I'm about to prune up my Moringa tree. Bless. This is my beautiful Moringa tree that I planted from seed, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very proud of it. As you see, ladies and gentlemen, it's been cut recently because my neighbor came by and chopped a significant piece of it, but I just want to prune it out so it could respring. So I'm going to chop this entire, those two big limbs, I'm going to take them off. And don't worry yourself, I'm going to dry them so I could have some Moringa leaves. So remember to hit the subscribe button. This is Moringa right here. I just see there's a couple of pads, some blossoms are on there also. Those white things are blossom. They're very sweet. So I'm not letting none of those things waste. I'm going to harvest everything that's there. Remember, it's the Crocus bag farmer, ladies and gentlemen. Hit the red subscribe button and leave your comment. This tree is called the Moringa tree, and it's called Never Die. It's good for malnutrition, good for all kind of, you know, vitamins and, you know, protein factors in the world. It's being used all over Africa, sub-Saharan Africa, for malnutrition purposes. Remember, you're tuning into the Crocus bag farmer? Yes, and we're dealing with roots, throats, and real nutrition. Yeah, remember, your food is your medicine, and if you don't eat right, you're going to have to eat medicine for your food. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. I'm going to prune up this Moringa tree, and then I'm going to save the leaves and the blossoms and the pads for a different purpose. All right, remember to hit the subscribe button. Ladies and gentlemen, that particular plant right there is called Never Die, and you can actually replant it. So I'm going to cut another piece off of the Moringa tree, and I'm asking you to subscribe because battery is running low on my camera. But I'm just pruning it up because I know it's going to spring back again, so I'm not killing it. You're going to see how it spring back in a few months. I'm going to dry all of this and put it in a tea bag for you. All this, natural. Yeah. That's me pruning up the moringa tree. You know, you'll be surprised how it springs back in 2 months. So remember, hit the square subscribe button. I'm gonna bring these inside, expose them to some heat, and dry them up in a few days. So bless up, stress, don't stress. It's the Crocus Bag Farmer. Subscribe, like, and share. I'm here in South Florida, pruning up the moringa tree. Okay, that's the foliage I got off the moringa plant, and you can actually eat it like I've just demonstrated. With this plant, you could actually eat this plant like a salad. Okay. Delicious foliage. Moringa tree. Remember, it's a Crocus Bag Farmer. I'm gonna bring them in, dry them, make some tea. Bless.